The majority of them have never made a cocktail before, but showing them that bartending is for everybody. I think the best conversations are had over a good drink. My name is Eric. I am coming to you live from J Bespoke, a speakeasy cocktail lounge in New York City. The cocktail lounge is behind me through this storefront space that I'm currently in. We're teaching cocktail classes, anywhere from 2 people to 40 people, and we're pretty much teaching these cocktail classes daily. We're always trying to stay one step above and create an elevated atmosphere, whether it's in the corporate space or birthday parties, date night, bachelorette parties, things like that. Try to be a little bit different, show that bartending is for everybody, and we do everything that we can to be as accommodating as possible. We want to be that neighborhood bar that you see on TV shows and the movies, just delivering, an upscale product with service and cocktails. I love hospitality. I love people, dealing with people, learning from people. I think the best conversations are had over a good cocktail, over a good drink. Almost all of our guests who take our classes enjoy a good cocktail. Most of them, the majority of them, have never made a cocktail before. I think the most rewarding part is showing them that bartending is for everybody. The classes last anywhere from 75 to 90 minutes long, but I try to do my best to customize the class based on what I can see that they're looking for. Sometimes it's more of the corporate space. They're looking to just unwind a little bit, and there are other people who come here who are really looking to learn, whether they've got a little, bar kit at home, a bar cart at home, and looking to improve upon their skills. So I do my best to just kind of read our guests, the group, and kind of go off of that. And we teach 2 cocktails. For the classes that are open to the public, I usually select cocktails that I know are going to be crowd pleasers. And then for private classes, the guests get to select the 2 cocktails they'd like to learn from the menu. But my favorite cocktail to teach is the French Martini. A classic cocktail that's got some really interesting, unique ingredients, different flavor profiles with fresh pineapple juice and a raspberry liqueur in Chambord, some lemon juice, a little bit of honey. Most of our guests have heard of it, but have never had it before. And it always surprises them. It's always a big crowd pleaser, so that's probably my favorite one to teach.
People really get fascinated, definitely walk away with new skills here. Everyone really enjoys it, it's really fun.